you should look at the investors as a source of valuable feedback rather than being worried that they're going to take your idea. In fact, it's actually in our business model, and this is why we're called Crowdcreate, is because there's the wisdom of the crowds actually can make very impactful decisions on your business. By sharing as much as you can, you're actually going to get feedback from stakeholders to investors. And as those people will learn more about your project, they could actually become investors into your business.
Now, you want to talk to investors before you even start. For some people, it sounds counterintuitive, but often startups don't always move in a straight line direction. Whether you're trying to figure out what's most interest to investors, or even from a product market fit with your customers, you want to constantly be talking with them. Now, video and phone conversations are always best, and that's what we do here at Crowdcreate. We have a process to be able to start talking to investors and influencers immediately. How? We already know what they're interested in, and we can match your project with what they're interested in. Leveraging feedback can often be the difference between constantly pitching and understanding that people aren't interested to outright asking them and having that change your business. What we've noticed is that businesses are constantly pivoting and constantly shifting with understanding what the investors and influencers ultimately want in their project. We recommend that you talk to them as soon as possible and often have checkpoints along the way, getting their feedback. Investor feedback is extremely important. And this is not just your close inner circle, but what do other people think that aren't closely connected with you? Now, we do recommend that you have them provide feedback in an honest and genuine way, being very constructive in terms of how your project can be better and who you should be talking to. These are valuable insights in what we've seen projects be able to pivot and shift their business into a direction that ultimately customers, influencers, investors want to be a part of. Get feedback from them as soon as possible, and that's what we can help you with at Crowdcreate.